In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive projects in Todoist. If you've ever archived a project and then realized you still need it, don't worry. Todoist makes it very simple to bring those projects back, and I'll walk you through the exact process step by step. First, start by opening Todoist and making sure you're on the main screen where you can see your sidebar or navigation menu. What you're looking for is the section that lists all of your projects. This is usually labeled as My Projects or simply Projects, depending on your layout or device. Go ahead and click on that. This is your central hub for organizing, viewing, and managing everything you're working on. Once you've opened your projects, you'll normally see only the active ones. Since we want to unarchive something, we need to switch the view to show archived projects instead. Look for an option or filter that says something like Archived Projects Only. Click on that. This tells Todoist to hide your active projects and display only those that you've previously archived. It's a great way to keep your main list clean while still having access to older work. Now that you're viewing only archived projects, find the specific project you want to bring back. Take a moment to double check you've selected the right one, so you don't restore something you don't actually need. When you've found it, look for the 3 dots icon associated with that project. This is often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the project's options. In the menu that appears, you'll see several actions you can take on that project. The one we're interested in is Unarchive. Go ahead and click on Unarchive. As soon as you do this, Todoist will move that project out of the Archive section and place it back into your active project list. After unarchiving, you can return to your regular project view to confirm it worked. Simply switch off the Archive Projects Only view, or go back to your normal projects list. You should now see the project back among your active ones, ready for you to add tasks, update deadlines, or organize it just like any other project. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly unarchive any project in Todoist and pick up right where you left off.